What's up, guys? So today Ava and I are going to go print out some Louis Vuitton logos, and we're going to try to do our own DIY Louis Vuitton logo wall. So we hope that we can get this accomplished. You think we can do it? Can we do it? Let's do it. We are going to go to the Clubhouse and print out some of the little LV things and stuff like that, because I did leave my printer in Florida. So we're gonna go do that, right, Mommy? We can do this. Yes. All right, let's go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Mwah. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is think about the design that you want to do. In this case, we printed out 3 different designs. So now I'm just Googling, searching what designs I want to use. I use Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Zara, and I printed out some Eiffel Towers and things like that. Had I had a color printer, I would have printed out these really pretty pink colors, but the printer at my Clubhouse only did black and white, which was okay with me because I can still make it look really modern and really chic. Okay, so we've been in this Clubhouse for about an hour, so we got a couple of things to do our little collage wall with. We have this Couture New York paper, little template. We have the Zara template. We have Chanel templates. We have 50 of the Louis Vuitton templates because we were going to try to do a Louis Vuitton wall. In between here, I have a couple more things that are just sticking together right now. Let's see. 1 second, baby. Like I have some with my name on it, things like that, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what this looks like when we get home. Now we have so much to clean in this room right here. This is just a lot of extra stuff that got pushed into this room. DIY stuff and bedding that we never use. Just a ton of things in here that we do need to knock out before we go ahead and make this room over. So what I'm using now is some double-sided tape and this gift wrap that I actually got from Michael's, I believe. No, I think it was Hobby Lobby, and I got this entire roll for $9.99, but I did use the get one item 40% off, so I paid about maybe $5.49 for this. So I'm just taping this to my wall right now, and then I realized that I felt like I was going to run out of paper, but I was just trying this anyway. If it was up to me, I would have covered my entire wall with this. But I just used the double-sided tape to keep that on the wall. I highly recommend making sure that you have enough paper before you start this project. As you guys can see in the clips that's going to come next, I did have to take this off the wall and just do it long ways because I did run out of paper. So just to make sure you're fully stocked up on everything that you need before you do start this project. Now around this point is when I realized, sis, you don't have enough paper for this. So what I ended up doing, like I told you guys, was flipping it sideways and just making it like a little focal point. Okay, so I changed it from long ways to going wide, just in the middle of the wall, because this is going to be the focal point for whenever I do film. And if you guys can see, this is how it looks right now. And I ran out of paper, but I did want to do something today, so that's why I just did the center of the wall, which we're going to make the center of the wall pop before we add the beauty decor. So I purchased this little picture frame from Walmart, and it comes with a book, not a bookshelf, but it comes with a little shelf to go under it. We're going to make that the focal point of the wall, and we're going to put our Chanel and other designer images we just printed out in this. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the little designs that I put inside of it, which I think is really cute. I think it really mimics me as a, well, I used to major in fashion design, so I feel like this sums me up. So I'm just going to take the rest of these right here and put these into the 3 frames that's going to sit on top of those. So this is where I started putting all of my little designs inside of those frames, and I do apologize, I was out of focus. So basically I just got these frames from the Dollar Tree. These were $1 each. It's free to print. So besides the $5 for the wallpaper, well, not wallpaper, but the gift wrap that I use for wallpaper, and the frame that I got with the shelf under it, that was $10. And then a couple of my other supplies, this DIY was probably around $20, just using everything else that I had at home already. So like I said, I'm just putting this stuff into the frames, and this is what it ended up looking like. I like the sleek black frames because it looks more modern, more chic. I did one for the Zara one, and I did 2 LV ones as well. So my camera was a little bit crooked on this part, so it kind of looks like everything I put on the wall is tilted, so just ignore that. But besides that, all I'm doing right now is just hanging up those frames and getting all the measurements right for basically eyeballing where I want to put all of my frames and things like that. So now I'm gonna hang up those other frames that I had. This is the Chanel that I'm putting in the middle, and then I'm going to hang up the Louis Vuitton and the Chanel, Louis Vuitton and the Zara one on the other side of it. So since I had a lot more of these LV printouts, I just cut them out and put them on each side, each corner of the wallpaper, just to give it a little touch. Now what I'm doing is adding that shelf that came with that frame right above it. Like I said, this was $10 from Walmart, you guys. I thought that was such an amazing deal. I should have grabbed 2 of these to put on each side of my couch. That would have been really cute too. So I'm just using a handheld screwdriver, and I'm sorry, it's an electronic screwdriver, and I'm nailing the nails into the wall, and I'm applying this shelf exactly where I want it to be. So now right up under it, I'm just using this little cabinet that was gifted to me, and I'm adding Christmas lights to the back just to add ambiance before I added the doors to the cabinet. Like I said, use what you guys have at home already if you can. And I'm just adding these little flowers in between the spaces of the cabinets because your girl did not put these cabinets on properly. So I'm just trying to pretty up my little mistakes. So now this is just an overview of how I have everything, and I think it looks really pretty, really girly. And I'm just going ahead and decorating with some things that I had already had in my house. All of this stuff, like the little candles, the vases, the marbles, the palm leaves, all of that stuff was $1. So you can really go to Dollar Tree to pretty up your stuff. The Hello Winter signs I already had from Target, and those for $3 each. But like I said, just use things that you already have from home. I'm taking all of my Shop Miss Day makeup off of this rack, and I'm basically just decorating my background with things that I already have, you guys. So all of these foundations that I'm putting up for display was $1. And then I'm taking this little thing that I found from At Home, and it says something about being a witch all year, but honey boo boo, no we not. So I just put these little rhinestone adhesive stickers in there that I got from the Dollar Tree, and that little thing was 90% off, so that was a $3 DIY, which was pretty cool. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that with a lot more of my other makeup products, brushes and things like that from Shop Miss A. If you guys know, I always do Shop Miss A videos. All the Shop Miss A products are between $1 to $1.55, and I'm just decorating my background with some of that stuff just to give my background a really nice look when something aesthetically pleasing when people are looking at my videos and things like that. I think that this is a really nice touch. So just decorate with whatever you have, guys. Just make it look nice. Symmetry is everything whenever you're decorating. Having something on both sides or having a focal point is always gonna make your background pop. And I did go ahead and add Christmas lights across the picture frame, the little frame that's right above these brushes right here, at a later date, so that it really pops in the back of my videos. You want something that's going to be really pleasing to the eye when people are watching your video. So this is just an overview of everything. It took me about 2 hours to do, only because I was stopping, starting, stopping, and starting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys had any questions or anything, if you guys want to see more videos like this, then definitely let me know in the comment box. You guys act like you're strangers when it comes to commenting on my videos, so don't be a stranger. Let me know what you guys want to see. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Also, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right down there. Don't forget to click it. It is free, honey. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.